Ever glance around your lobby and see things like handprints on the door glass and a lack of vacuuming and think, do the janitors even try? Perhaps you were unaware that their strategy was to simply empty the trash and dash. After bringing this to their attention, nothing changed. This is the headache-inducing moment when you suddenly realize you've been paying for janitorial but are getting nothing more than an in-and-out drive-through cleaning. If any of this sounds familiar, it might be time to make a change. Hiring a new cleaning company may sound like a daunting task, but it's a process that's made easy if you know what to look for. You deserve a clean business, and a well-managed cleaning company should make your life easier. You want to partner up with a vendor that's just as invested in keeping your business clean as you are. But how do you know if the new service will be any better? Here are some tips to help you navigate the process of hiring a cleaning company. To prepare, the first step is to identify your cleaning needs. Does your business require nightly cleaning or weekly? What are the scheduling needs to avoid disruption of business? What are your expectations? Do they include extras such as window or carpet cleaning? What is your allocated budget? These are questions to consider before scheduling a meeting. If you're unsure, don't worry. A reputable cleaning company can help guide you through some of these questions. Get price quotes from at least 2 to 3 companies. Comparing the scope of work and price quotes is always a good idea. But be wary of the lowball bidder. But some companies will purposely underbid the work just to get your business. The cleaners will rush through, cut corners, and as a result, they won't be paying much attention to detail. Before long, you'll be right back where you started, looking for another company. Next, look for strong communication skills. Communication is important in any relationship, and it's especially true for keeping a facility clean. You want to feel comfortable opening a dialogue to voice any concerns. This way, if any problems arise, you will already have a foundation in place to discuss them before they get out of hand. Ask if they will provide you with a dedicated customer service representative. Ask for a scope of work. Having a comprehensive list of what is included in the cleaning contract is a great tool for ensuring expectations match. It also helps you hold them accountable. This is particularly important when you're comparing estimates. If one company quotes you a monthly rate that is higher but includes more services, it may be worth the additional expense. Ask about special cleaning services. Inquire about the full scope of services they offer. Why not hire a company who not only cleans your offices, but can clean your floors, carpets, and windows too? This will save you time, and they'll often offer a better price. Next, ask about cleaning products. There are a wide range of cleaning products available, from eco-friendly to hospital-grade disinfectants. If you're running a dental office, well, your cleaning needs will differ, say, from those of an elementary school. If today's green cleaning movement is important to you, ask if your cleaning company has experience using products that minimize the impact on the environment and building occupants. Are they registered, bonded, and insured? Protect yourself and your property. Make sure that the company is properly registered and has the appropriate insurance coverages. Are the cleaners properly trained in industry best techniques? Not only will training ensure quality cleaning, but industry best cleaning techniques can help prevent damage to your property. Ask about the inspection process. How do they ensure that the cleaners are continuing to provide you with quality service? It's important that they perform periodic walkthroughs for quality control on the work itself. Be certain they perform background checks on cleaning and management staff. You're giving your cleaning company access to your property. Make sure they are diligently screening the cleaners they assign. Ask how long they've been in business. Cleaning companies, well, can come and go. They can change their name to reset their reputation, but the company is run by the same people. Be sure the cleaning company you choose has established a reputation for quality service. Ask for references and read online reviews. Before wrapping up the meeting, ask them for customer references. This can give you invaluable insight. Later, as you do your homework and further vet the company, Research online and read reviews. Browsing through their social media can give you a feel for how actively engaged they are with both customers and the greater community. Lastly, look carefully at the fine print and avoid long-term contracts. Some cleaning companies will try to lock you into a multi-year contract. While this can bring certainty and stability, these contracts can also be difficult to get out of. Problem is, if you're ever unhappy with the cleaning and the issues don't get resolved, you can be stuck in a miserable relationship. Instead, look for a company that can offer month-to-month contracts. They're more likely to be attentive to your needs and will continue earning your business each and every month. So, are you over the current cleaning company sweeping everything under the rug? Sometimes change is good. Whether you have 8 employees or 60, hiring the right cleaning company is an important decision. By following these steps, the process should be smooth and hassle-free. Want to know more? Contact Business Cleaning Solutions today.